Okay, guys, so right now I want to work on the final part of um, the phone app creation, and we're going to be working on the menu button, and we're going to make it interactive like this, as you can see here. Okay, you can see them. How? Yeah, so that's what we're going to work on now. Okay, so we have everything listed right here. So we want to create the first one, which we've already created everything in our previous video. So I want to do the next one now, which is creating them into a component and then into variant. Okay, so what we do now is I'll go to design first, click on this one. What we do now is that we duplicate them, so because we don't want to touch, that's the main design, so let's not destroy it. So we make it, and then we come here, create a component. Okay, so we've created a component now, and what we need to do is to create variants of that component. So that's what we're about to do. So when we create a variant, it's going to be like this, and what we want to do is that we want to make space in between them, like we want to add space between them, so make sure that there is enough space for everything. Let's fix that. Okay, so we come here, we'll add more variants, add another variant too. So we have 4 variants now, and we have everything outside here. Okay, so what we have is variant 2, variant 3, and variant 4, and everything is okay. And now we have all this listed here. Okay, so what we need to do now is that we need to make sure that they are actually on on this component tab. We don't want them outside, we want them inside this component tab. So this is the fast way to do it. I know that you have to you have to edit everything like one by one, so this is actually a very quick way to do it. So what you do now is that you select these 3 frames. Okay, we duplicate them, and then what you do now is that you make each of them a component. Okay, just make each of them a component. Sorry, make each of them a component. Okay, so you select this first one now, which is the first one which will be under here. What you do now is that you copy, or you just cut it, any one of it, copy, you paste it, paste to replace. Okay, you come here, select this one, copy, right click, paste to replace, select this, copy here, paste to replace. Okay, so copy this one, paste to replace, select last one, copy, paste to replace. Good, so we have everything all set up in the component tab. Okay, so you just make sure that everything is aligned center like this. Yeah, wonderful. So now we are going to do the same thing we did just a while ago, which is the video before this. You're gonna have to connect every home. All the home will be here, all the orders will be here, all the search will be here, all the support will be here. So what you do now is that you select the home, you press shift, select this one, press shift to go to this one, that you click like 3 times, so 3 times, and then you go to prototype, then you move the interaction to the spot, which is the first one here, home, and then you make it dissolve on top. Okay, so that's good, that's one. Next one, order, Spreadsheet, select this next one, then interaction to this one, tap, good, wonderful. Next one, search, good. So tap goes to this one, good. So now we'll go to this one too, support. Okay, click here, everything goes to this one. Okay, so if you have any issues, just let me know. If you have any issues, please let me know. Remember, always let me know if you have any issues. Okay, so we've connected everything all together now, and we will see on the design part. If you see that they said select conflicting variants. Okay, so because these variants were copied from a different component, it's actually faulty. So what you have to do is that you have to edit all of them. So I click here, I will come here and press add new and make it variant 2. So I edit it variant 2. Okay, you come here, select this, come here, make it variant 3. Okay, you come here, select this one, variant 4. Then you come here, select it, and yeah, there is no issue again. You see, so you have made it very okay. So you just need to select this one now. Okay, so this is the default, and you have variants, everything 2, 3, 4. Okay, so everything is done. What you need to do now is select this one variant, copy it, and then you go to your screen, you paste it here. Okay, and then you put it at the center, yeah, center, and then you test it on your home screen here. Click here, make sure that the prototype of this is showing fixed. Make sure it is fixed, so you have it there, and then you can switch through. You can see how everything is working. So that's how you create components and variants the fast way when it comes to a group. There are single ways to do it, but this is the fastest, you know, when you are making it very fast and you know you want to actually do it on time. It's actually quick. If we're doing it single buttons, it will take a lot of time. So I believe that this is the fastest way to do it. And we've come to the end of interactions on mobile phones, and making components and variants, and also making the slide frame. So we move on to the next, which is how to create web design UI.